Marhaban and welcome to another video. This is Mohammed Bakri from Community of Babel. Today we are going to study two expressions in Standard Arabic that are sometimes are confusing even for advanced students. The first one is ma zala. So the verb zala, okay, always negated. Zala literally it means like to vanish. Literally, so with the negation, like didn't vanish. So it can be in the past, like here, zala. So أنا ما زلت, I'm still. أنا ما زلت. هي هو ما زال. هي ما زالت. أنت ما زلت. أنت ما زلتِ. أنتم ما زلتم. نحن ما زلنا. هم ما زالوا. وهكذا, and so on. So this ma with the verb conjugated in the past tense, sometimes we use la and the verb is conjugated in the present tense, like أنا لا أزال, هو لا يزال, هي لا تزال, نحن لا نزال, أنت لا تزال, أنت لا تزالين, وهكذا, and so on. But there is no difference in the meaning, not at all, almost not at all. Another way is to use lam with the verb conjugated in the present tense, but we remove the vowel, like lam yazal, ana lam azal, because after lam we remove the vowel, the long vowel, the alif. So lam yazal, hiya lam tazal, ana lam azal. So let's have some examples. هو ما زال في العمل. هو ما زال, he's still في العمل, at work, he's still at work. نحن ما زلنا ندرس الفرنسية. نحن we are still ندرس الفرنسية, studying French. Another example is هم لا يزالون يلعبون. هم لا يزالون يلعبون. Another example with لم يزل is أنا لم أزل لا أعرف. أنا لم أزل لا أعرف. I still don't know. So regardless of the form, they all mean still. So don't be confused when you see any of them in a text or in a speech. So the next expression is لم يعد, which means no longer or not anymore. So عاد is the verb to return, to go back. عاد يعود. So لم يعد, no longer. So أنا لم أعد, أنت لم تعد, أنت لم تعودي, هو لم يعد, هي لم تعد, هم لم يعودوا, نحن لم نعد. So let's see some examples. The first example, let's say أنا لم أعد أهتم. أنا لم أعد أهتم, to care, so I don't care anymore. هو لم يعد يلعب الكرة. هو لم يعد يلعب الكرة. He doesn't play football anymore. Another example is هي لم تعد تحب السينما. هي لم تعد تحب السينما. She doesn't like the cinema or the movie theater anymore. Another example is نحن لم نعد نصدقه. نحن, we, لم نعد نصدقه. We don't believe him anymore. نحن لم نعد نصدقه. So that's all for today. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.